Hey guys, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay. Today's video is going to be another makeup haul. On this channel, I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join the Kikay family. And if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. As you heard before, today's video is going to be a collective makeup haul. After buying my new house, it turns out having a mortgage still doesn't stop me from making a few makeup purchases. I'm not as crazy as I used to be purchasing all the new and latest things, but I have got a few things in front of me today that I would like to share with you because I am incredibly excited about a lot of these new things. So before I get straight into this video, if you do enjoy my content, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and very importantly, ring the notification bell. Even though it doesn't work half the time, but ring it anyway and we'll see what happens. Because I put out 3 videos every single week. Putting out 3 videos every single week is a lot of hard work, so I really, truly would love for you guys to see every single video that I put out. If you do enjoy my content, ring the bell. It has been a little bit difficult to get my content out recently because the algorithm is constantly changing, so it would help me out so much if you did ring that bell. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are Life as Kikay. Now let's get straight into this video. Wow, this is probably like the quickest intro ever. Now the first place that I purchased from, it was about 3 separate orders, was Juvia's Place. Of course, I cannot do a makeup haul without a few things from Juvia's Place. So the first thing that I got was the Tribe eyeshadow palette. This is the box that it comes in and the palette just mirrors the box. Now this is a really beautiful palette. I have got a makeup tutorial up on my channel using this eyeshadow palette. This has been out for a little while now, but I took my time purchasing it because I wasn't really into the greens. But I have been trying to explore and get out of my comfort zone recently with the different colors, clothing, eyeshadow looks that I wear, which is why I purchased the Tribe eyeshadow palette. Not only that, I also got the Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral eyeshadow palette, and purchasing these 2 palettes now completes my entire Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette collection. So you can expect an updated Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette collection video very, very soon. But I'm very lucky to have these 2. I love Juvia's Place, guys. Juvia's Place is the bomb. Their palettes are so good. And I was actually lucky enough to be able to get my hands on the foundations, concealers, and powder as well. So I know that when they first initially launched, it was a mad rush to try and get your shade on the website. And it only took me 3 separate orders, but I managed to get my hands on some of these foundations. If you watch my foundation review of these, you'll know that I didn't get a single shade. I got all, I didn't know what was my shade, so I got all the shades. Well, not all the shades, but I got 4 shades, and still not a single one is my exact shade match. It is actually what I'm wearing on my face today. I have been wearing it for about 8 hours now, and it's still going pretty strong. I have had to touch up a few times. But anyway, I'm gonna also leave my Juvia's Place I Am Magic line video in the description box down below if I already have it uploaded and released at this point. But if you wanna go see that review, it should be up on my channel. So I got 4 shades in the I Am Magic. I got Aruba, Casablanca, Giza, and Martinique. Martinique? I think that's how you say it. Martinique. I mixed 2 shades. I think I mixed Casablanca and Aruba together. It still ended up being a little bit too yellow for me, but I actually made it work. It matches my neck better than it matched my neck because my face is a lot lighter than my actual body is, but it actually matched pretty good, don't you think? So I got those 4 shades. I do like that foundation. I'm just going to have to mix it every time I want to use it now, but it's so incredibly high coverage. Like, you can cover a multitude of sins with that foundation. It's seriously. You probably could if you tried. I also purchased 5 different shades of the I Am Magic concealer. Look how massive these tubes are, and the containers are actually really hefty. They're really good quality packaging. I got 5 shades. I got them in 16, 20, 19, 15, and 9. I got a really dark one as well because I wanted to use that as a contour shade. Also, what I'm wearing on my face today, again, I will leave that review in the description box down below if you want to go check it out. But these concealers are incredibly high pigmented. Full coverage a little bit goes a very, very long way. And I just love the packaging. Look how cute this packaging is. Like, I mean, look at it. When I finally have a nice background set up behind me, I might even have these on display because they're really, really cute. And also when I figure out like the depth of field thing behind me with the camera. Anyway, not that any of you even care. This one is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Setting Powder. This one is in the shade Sahara. It's probably too yellow for me. When I tried it on today, it wasn't as brightening as I would like it, but it did set everything down really, really nicely. It's not a clear translucent powder. It is a bit more of a beigey, creamy type of powder, so it's not incredibly brightening, but that's what a lighter concealer is for, which I do have. And so I was very lucky to get my hands on that as well. I also got 2 of the Tribe highlighters from Juvia's Place. I got the Tribe Volume 2 and the Tribe Volume 1. Volume 3 was out of stock. But the other day, I received the package. Life has been hectic. I didn't actually check that everything was fine in the package, and I opened it probably past the number of days that you're allowed to send something back or make a return. And I opened up the Volume 1 and it's absolutely shattered in the pan, but that's okay. I'm gonna pour some rubbing alcohol in it and press it back into the pan, and hopefully it works just as fine. But it's a really deep, dark type of highlighter. It's obviously a highlighter for someone with a much darker skin tone than me, but I could use this as a bronzer topper, like a really light wash of just a sheen of contour, I guess. So that was actually really pretty. I'm just gonna have to try and fix that one. And the other one is the highlighter Volume 2. Now this one is a little bit lighter, probably better as a highlight for me. I'm actually gonna try a bit of that. I already have a fair bit of highlighter on, so I don't think that made any difference. But look at that, look at that. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at it, it's so pretty. So those are the Tribe highlighter Volume 1 and Volume 2. I have yet to get my hands on Volume 3. Now, I did a little bit of a Beautylish haul. Now, if you guys don't know what Beautylish is, it is a website online based in the US, I do believe, and it sells all sorts of high-end makeup brands. I do believe it also ships worldwide. So that's where I got my Natasha Denona palettes and my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker bundle. I'm so excited because it is the actual first ever Jeffree Star eyeshadow palettes that I've ever owned, and it is what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I am so incredibly impressed with this Jawbreaker palette. I mean, look at it. It is so pretty. So pretty. And look at it on the inside. Oh, I am in so much love right now. And it's got a really hefty mirror as well. I mean, it's a bit dirty, but look at it. It's so big. It's such a beautiful palette. It blended out really beautifully on my eyes. Again, if I do have that video uploaded where I use this palette, I will leave it listed in the description box down below, so you can go check it out, see how I created this makeup look. That's that one. And because it was in a bundle, I bought the mini palette as well. The packaging of this is just so cute, so adorable. I was not actually intending on purchasing these palettes, but when I bought them, it was really late at night, and I think I just blacked out and I just went click, 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 and I just purchased them. And I actually don't know what I did. After I went through the checkout and spent the money to buy this Jawbreaker bundle, as soon as the purchase was processed, I looked at the computer screen and I was like, what the fuck did I just do? I don't know, I just blacked out. That's what happens when I buy most of my makeup. When I do all these hauls, I black out and I buy all this makeup. So I'm not responsible for all this money that I just spent. Anyway, this one is the Mini Breaker palette. Look how adorable it is. Oh my goodness, look at her. Look at her. She's a cute little thing. So those are the 2 that I got from Beautylish. Now, in a separate order from Beautylish, something that I am not quite as enthusiastic about, I did also purchase the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. It came in a box like this, really, really gorgeous. The shades in this palette, so beautiful as well. However, I have also done a video using this eyeshadow palette, and I will leave it in the description box down below. I'm not gonna say too much because I don't want to ruin that video for you if you do want to go watch it, but let's just say I'm a lot more excited about these palettes than I am about this palette. It was quite shocking to me, actually. I was not expecting what I got from this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, especially considering that this palette is $65 US. That's expensive. That's expensive. That's really expensive. Anyway, if you want to see what I thought of it, go watch that video. I will leave it also listed in the description box down below. Now, breaking away from the higher end things, I went to Target. I picked up a few necessities like my Essence All Eyes on Me mascara. I love this mascara. It is my go-to ride or die mascara. I need no other. Mascara is one of those things that once I've found one that works for me, I don't really branch out and look for any other mascara. If I found one that works for me, then I don't look at any others. I'm one of those people. Whereas with a palette, for example, I could collect eyeshadow palettes for days, honey. Like, they are a collector's thing for me. I love eyeshadow palettes. Mascara, one and only, that's all I need. So I got another Essence All Eyes on Me mascara. I also got the Essence Clear Brow and Lash Gel because I saw Bretman Rock using this gel on his Instagram stories and his eyelashes are divine. And mine are stubby little pew pew things that just go like just like right there. They stick out like this and they do absolutely nothing for me. So maybe Bretman Rock's eyelashes were impressive to me because he actually has eyelashes. But anyway, I purchased this one. I think it was like $4. It also says it's a brow mascara, so I'm gonna put some of this on my brow actually. See if this does anything, because I actually don't need anything in my brows because I've got brows. I don't need anything more in my eyebrows. So anyway, Clear Brow Gel. I don't know if that did anything for me. I might have to use this on my eyelashes sometime, see how I go. I also went through the Target discount makeup bins and I purchased a few bits and pieces here. So I got this L'Oreal Age Perfect Creme de Tint. It's like a luminizing BB cream almost, but when I had a look at it, this is what it is. It doesn't actually give any coverage, or maybe like the tiniest little bit of coverage, but I think what it's meant to do is give you a bit of a healthy glow on a no makeup day, like a literally no makeup, because all that did was give me a little bit of a glow. Maybe I could use this as a face base as well underneath foundation to give me a little bit of a glow, but I did want to try that out and it was discounted to $12 down from like $24 or something. I also got this Essence Brighten Up Peach Powder. It was discounted to $4 and Essence isn't very expensive as well anyway, so that's the peach powder there. I just wanted to try this one out. I've heard a lot of Essence powders are really good. I love the Essence blushes, the matte touch blushes, so good. I have one of them in my project pan at the moment, which is why I was keen to try out this other powder from Essence as well. I bought this sleek face palette also from the reduced bin. I made sure that it was sealed because a lot of the stuff in the reduced bin have been touched and swatched. So I made sure that this one was sealed. This one was reduced down to $6.25 and I believe the full price is like $12 more or less. This is the face palette. It's got a contour, bronzer, and highlight. I am pretty much stuck in a rut when it comes to my bronzers, which is why I wanted to try something different. I also got this face contour kit. I don't know why I got that face palette and I got this contour kit from Sleek, but this one was only $4.25. It's just a mini contour and highlight and really, really good for when I'm traveling, which I very, very rarely do. But when I do, this would be handy to have because it's just a tiny, compact little thing. And it was only $4.25. I also bought this Sleek blush. This one is in the shade Pixie Pink. It is quite a bright, sassy, pink little thing. I was keen to buy this one because a lot of the blushes that I have are more of a coral, peachy type of blush, whereas this one is a definite pink type of blush, which is what is missing from my collection, which is why I wanted to try this one. That's actually really pretty. Hey, that's a really pretty pink. I like that. And this one was only $3.75. I also picked up this other reduced Pixie Pink blush and I wanted to get a sealed one because I want to include this in an upcoming giveaway that I am planning for my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So I cannot believe, guys, we are now at 1.4 thousand subscribers here on my YouTube channel. We're another 500 away from 2,000. So we are growing, guys. I'm so incredibly thankful. Quick short break right here, but I just want to say I'm so incredibly thankful for each and every one of you who watch my videos, who have clicked the subscribe button. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. It's kind of confusing to me because the ratio of my subscriber count to my views on my videos is really like not really balanced. I might maybe get an average of 90 views per video and I nearly have 1.5 thousand subscribers. So it's kind of a little bit wonky to me. I don't really quite understand how that is the case when I have that many subscribers and as opposed to that many views. But anyway, it is what it is. I just want to say, if you're new here to my channel, thank you so much for being here. I really truly appreciate you. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. If you have any requests for videos, always feel free to leave them in the comment section of every single video. I always see your comments. I'm always liking, hearting, and responding to your comments. I might not always get to them straight away, but I do try my best to catch up on comments every so often and reply to every single one of you. So if you do have a request for videos or a question about makeup or anything, please feel free to leave those in the comments and I will always see those comments. Okay, so before I wrap up this video, I have another 2 products, and this time I did a purchase from Morphe. Now I've had these 2 products for a little while now because I did this purchase about 2 months ago. I just didn't have enough things collected to be able to do like a full video for a haul. This one is the Morphe 39S palette, and as you can see, it is a beautiful, gorgeous ruby purple palette. I have also, again, another video up on my channel using this palette in an artsy type of makeup look, but I have yet also to film another video using this palette in a more wearable makeup look. If you are interested in seeing that video where I use this in an artistic makeup look, also I will leave that video in the description box down below. It is so pretty. I love this palette. I wish just I had more time to have a play with it, because look at these colors. I mean, look at these colors. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. It's so pretty. And then the other thing I purchased from Morphe is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I really love this. It is a little bit pricey for me for the amount of time that it lasts. It doesn't have a very long lasting span for me because it's such a beautiful mist. You could just go on for days. Just go on for days, and before you know it, it's empty. And this one for me to purchase in Australia is 23 Australian dollars, which for me, for a setting mist, is probably a little bit pricey.
That's expensive.
But I do keep repurchasing this because it is so good. So I really only use this setting mist when I'm filming videos, not for like normal everyday life. That is it for this video, you guys. I wish you could see my makeup table right here. In fact, you know what? I will do a pan through right now. This is my makeup table after I have filmed about this is the 4th video that I have filmed today. This is the aftermath, and I did sort of tidy up in between videos as well. But this is the life of a YouTuber, guys. This is it, and I wouldn't exchange it for the world. I'm so lucky to be able to have purchased these products. But oh my gosh, look at this mess. Look at this mess. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know a lot of you guys enjoy watching makeup hauls. I personally love watching makeup hauls and PR unboxing. At this point, I have not actually yet received any PR, which is okay. I'm still a really small YouTube channel, but you know what? We'll get there eventually. That is not my goal, to get free stuff. My goal is to be able to make this platform something that I'm able to reach out and touch the lives of others, and hopefully eventually one day be able to make it my life, make it my job, which is what I'm working so hard towards, which is why I'm so incredibly thankful for each and every single one of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, and those of you who religiously watch my videos every single time I upload and who comment in the comment section. You know who you are. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much. As soon as I hit 1.5 thousand subscribers, I'm going to film my 2,000 subscriber giveaway video, and as soon as we hit 2,000 members in the Kikay family, I am going to be ending that giveaway. I don't quite know yet what I'm going to be putting in that giveaway, but you can be rest assured that it is going to be some good shit. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, again, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, ring the notification bell so you're notified of the 3 videos that I put out every single week. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. On Instagram, you'll see a lot more of my behind the scenes day-to-day life, all those little snapshots that are not, you know, you can't really capture straight away and put in a YouTube video because it's not really worth a video. Anyway, you guys know what I mean. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with little old me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Because I'm translucent powder. Why do I keep saying powder? It's a powder. Highlight.